Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you Power BI performance improvement. Let's begin. For optimizing the Power BI, we have to consider four basic points. First point is the data source. Data source where we can create indexing, partitioning or aggregate table. Second is data model, where we can create star schema. Third is visualization, report and dashboard. For this detail, I will go in the below. Fourth is environment, data gateway and network. Now we will consider all the point. So second point, limit the number of visual in dashboard and report. Third point, to improve Power BI report performance, reduce unnecessary interaction between visual. Fourth point, enable row level security so that Power BI import data the user is authorized to view. Fifth point, use preview feature of hierarchical slicer instead of custom visual. Sixth point, use the on-premise data gateway instead of personal gateway, because when we use personal gateway, data are import into Power BI. But when we work on-premise gateway, it is not required to import the data in Power BI, so that we can improve our performance. Seventh point, use different Power BI gateway for live connection and schedule data refresh, because live connection performance will slow compared to refresh schedule data. Eighth point, test the performance of each custom visual on report to ensure that report load faster. Power BI provided very good tool, that is performance analyzer. So start the performance analyzer and refresh the report, and then you can check like which report is taking much more time and which visual is taking much more time. So change and do their performance. Ninth point, limit compile, measure and aggregate data in the model. Instead of in the Power BI, we have to work on complex measure and aggregate data on database side. 10th point, use slicer springly. 11th point, ensure that all Power BI reports and data source are the same region. 12th point, import only necessary field and table instead of entire data set. Sometimes it is not required to bring all the data, because when we are going to generate the report, for example, we have to work on only 20 column or 20 data set. It is not required to bring whole data. 13. Ensure the cache update frequently. 14th point, use white and light background color so that we can improve our performance. 15th point, shorter the number. When we are working on the big number, better to avoid to write more than 2 and 3 after the decimal point. 16th point, use report tooltip page to provide more context for the highlighting the measures. 17th point, instead of starting with the empty PBXI, consider using template PBIB speed up and standardized report development side. So template can save and custom color, percent and theme be pre-computed. 18th point, query reduction. So when it is not required to write down more bigger query, better to avoid that. So this is the main important point we can, if we are going to consider, definitely our performance will increase. So thanks friend. Please like and subscribe my channel. Catch you in the next video.